Alright, so now we have Unity installed, and we have Visual Studio installed, and now we're going to install Visual Studio tools for Unity. Okay, so this is a plugin, and you can, if you decide to grab the 2015 Visual Studio instead of 2013, you can just grab the preview tools for Unity. Or if you have the 2013 version of Visual Studio, you can just go click on this guy to download him. And what he's going to do is to redirect you to the Visual Studio gallery, where there's a bunch of different plugins that you can get for Visual Studio. And so this is Visual Studio for Unity 2.0 Preview 2. This runs on for Unity 5, right? So this is the version you need to run Unity 5. So all you have to do is say download, and once you download that, it'll take just a minute to download because it's about 10 megs. Once that's done, you'll see a pop-up box. You can hit I accept the terms and hit install, and it'll actually install it inside of your Visual Studio. Okay, so besides installing this extension for Visual Studio, it also makes it so that Unity can find this asset. And when you create a new project, or even you're opening an existing project, you can add in this asset so that anytime you want to modify a C# file, it will open up Visual Studio from within Unity. And we'll see that here in just a second. Alright, so that is done. The Visual Studio 2013 tools for Unity has been installed. I hit finished. And now, when I bring up Visual Studio, we can see I can click on extensions and updates. And you'll see that we have Visual Studio 2013 for tools for Unity is installed. Okay, so again, I just went to tools and came down to extensions and updates, and you will see Visual Studio 2013 tools for Unity is installed. Okay, and also if we go into Unity itself, you'll see that we have a Visual Studio tools because we actually included that asset. So I can come in here and say assets, import package, and select Visual Studio 2013 tools. So if you had a project that did not have that, you just come down here to import package Visual Studio 2013 tools, in which case it's just going to install the Unity VS folder with the editor folder with these two DLLs. That's all there is to installing Visual Studio 2013 tools for Unity.